Humarap ngayong araw sa patuloy na pagdinig ng Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability ng Kongreso hinggil sa confidential funds si Vice President Sara Duterte. Hindi nakadalo ngayong araw sa pagdinig si Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Nasa Veterans Memorial Medical Center si Attorney Lopez dahil sa acute stress disorder. Idetalye mo, Jihana Ahmad.
Nagpapatuloy ang pagdinig ng Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability ng Kongreso hinggil sa confidential funds. Inilatag ng committee ang mga pangyayari sa pagdinig noong nakarang linggo. Nais ding mabigyang linaw ng mga mambabatas kung ano ang nangyari kay Attorney Zulaika Lopez, ang Chief of Staff ng Office of the Vice President, matapos itong ma-detain sa House of Representatives hanggang sa inilipat ito sa Women's Correctional Facility at Veterans Memorial Medical Center. Hindi nakadalo ngayong araw sa pagdinig si Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Nasa Veterans Memorial Medical Center si Attorney Zulaika Lopez ngayon dahil sa acute stress disorder. Sa pagdinig, naghain ng motion si Representative Franz Castro na palawigin pa ng 10 araw ang detention ni Attorney Lopez.
But by virtue of her conduct, the committee was deprived of invaluable information necessary to allow it to perform its role of crafting legislation for the improvement of the country's system of governance and transparency, Mr. Chair. In fact, she only attended when a threat of contempt citation loomed large should she fail to comply again with the subpoena duces tecum, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in view of the what happened during the last 2 days or so, I would like to consider to move for a reconsideration of our resolution insofar as it's limited the period of detention for only 5 days. I move, Mr. Chair, that the period of detention of Attorney Lopez be 10 days instead of 5 days. So move, Mr. Chair.
Pumalag naman si Representative Rodante Marcoleta sa detention ni Attorney Lopez.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Marcoleta.
thank you, Mr. Chair. Before an action may be taken by the committee, may I know how the totality of evidence was evaluated that merited the contempt order by the Chair?
Dumalo sa hearing si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Sir, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Madam Vice President.
Sir, nasa loob ng detention ang tao because you question due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee as a whole. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa court.
Sige, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir. Kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Patuloy naman ang paghimay ng komite sa confidential fund at ang mga individual na may pirma sa mga dokumento hinggil sa nasabing usapin.